Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by opening settings immediately. You don't need extra tools. Once done, sign in with an account that can view system info, then press Win+I or click Start and choose Settings. Navigate to Network and Internet so you can inspect active adapters and connection types. This matters because wired versus wireless interfaces report differently. Knowing which you use prevents double counting. Make sure to select the interface you want to monitor. You'll now open data usage within Network and Internet to get a quick summary of total traffic for the selected adapter. Once there, click View Usage per app or Usage Details to break traffic down by process. This shows bytes sent and received so you can spot heavy consumers. If you want accurate tracking, reset stats when starting a billing cycle or change the measurement period. Doing so ensures the numbers match your ISP or mobile hotspot reporting. Finish by using advanced tools for precision. Open Task Manager or Resource Monitor to watch live network bytes and which processes use them. Once you want historical logs, install a reputable third-party monitor to record over days. This explains patterns and peak usage. If numbers look wrong, make sure adapter drivers are updated, firewall rules aren't blocking telemetry, and background apps aren't refreshing constantly. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable background.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.